the personal plant database application that we've called SppDb works with gCADPlus and helps you generate plant schedules. I'm looking here at an entry for Acacia baileyana, the Cootamundra wattle, and I'm in the process of categorizing it for a zone. And if I click on this down arrow here, you can see SppDb allows you to create your own entries for the zone field in the database, and I've got lots of them here. I could characterize this species as being one suitable for coastal environments, or the hills, or Maine, or a Mediterranean, or for Paris. This is configurable and you can use it in any way you like. But if, for the sake of argument, you're working in the UK and those US Department of Agriculture zones, there are only 2 of them that cover the UK, and that is zones 7 and 8. You could call it zone 7 to 10 if you wanted to, but if I wanted to categorize this one for the most common zone in the UK, I could just set it as US Department of Agriculture zone 8 and then apply that information. If I then wanted to export a plant database file that I could use in gCADPlus, I'd go to Find View and click on Zone and pick Zone 8. And I could say, let's imagine I'd gone through the database and characterized all the plants that are used in the UK. And then I could say Find, that gives me a list, and then I could export that list out, and I could call it UK or something similar, and I'd have a GCP or plant database file that I could use in SPP. So I'll close from there and I'll go back to the Edit View. So I hope you can see that SppDb is very customizable for all of these things. If you took landscape use, you can see I've got quite a large list there. You probably wouldn't need all of those. You just set up a little use list that suit yourself. So I hope that illustrates the flexibility of SppDb.